Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 today. This mission has been designed with the aspiration of making all cities garbage-free and water-secure. Swachh Bharat 2.0 will focus on source segregation of solid waste by encouraging the concept of reduce, reuse and recycle. The mission aims to scientifically process all types of municipal solid waste and also ensure effective solid waste management at dump sites. It will also focus on grey and black water management in all cities. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had allocated 1.41 lakh crore rupees for this mission during the budget.
2014 में जब देश ने अभियान शुरू किया था, तब देश में हर दिन पैदा होने वाले वेस्ट का 20% से भी कम प्रोसेस होता था। आज हम करीब 70% डेली वेस्ट प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं। 20 से 70 तक पहुंचे हैं, लेकिन अब हमें इसे 100% तक 100% तक लेकर जाना ही जाना है। और ये काम केवल वेस्ट डिस्पोजल के जरिए नहीं होगा, बल्कि वेस्ट टू वेल्थ क्रिएशन के जरिए होगा।
The Union government has claimed that the Swachh Bharat mission has found large-scale acceptance amidst the public and has now become a Jan Andolan movement. Though solid waste management and wastewater treatment were mentioned as targets in the first Swachh Bharat mission, it wasn't focused on priority as the government was more focused on constructing toilets. Hence, solid and wet waste management is now expected to be the focus in the second phase. As India gears up for a Swachh Bharat 2.0, here's a look at how the first mission fared and if it had any significant impact. The government has claimed to have constructed 62,60,606 toilets in households and 6,15,864 public toilets till date across the country. It has also claimed that 4,371 cities are open defecation free and that 70% of solid waste is now being processed scientifically. It has also given 6 cities garbage-free city certification. However, several independent surveys have disputed the government's claims. The Research Institute for Compassionate Economic Survey in 2018 found that 23% of people who owned a toilet continue to defecate in the open. The survey reported a defecation rate of 53% in Rajasthan and 25% in Madhya Pradesh, despite these states being declared open defecation free. This is because the government has been making declarations based on toilet ownership rather than actual latrine use. The survey also found toilets falling into disrepair and disuse within 6 months of construction. A similar survey by India Spend reported that more than 1 in 3 toilet owners defecated in the open. Thus, the Swachh Bharat mission seems to have been a success merely on paper, while cleanliness and sanitation continue to remain pressing issues, especially in rural areas. It remains to be seen if Swachh Bharat 2.0 will be able to bridge the gap between what's on paper and the reality, even as it moves beyond toilets to focus on waste management. A Federal Report.